Emily here with Splash Pool and Spa, and we're bringing you another episode of Splashy Segments. Today, Ashley, what are we talking about?
We're going to talk about environments.
Okay, there's lots of environments out there. What exactly do you mean by that?
It's really just a step or a bench.
Oh, okay. So this is something that Marquee Spas offers
Correct.
as a feature for their hot tub.
Exclusive to Marquee. Yep.
Okay, awesome. So take it away.
Yeah, so we get a lot of people in here that say, I want a hot tub, but I don't want it to look like a hot tub, right? So they're thinking of a traditional hot tub with maybe just a plastic step. Looks maybe a little rickety. These are not that. These are not your grandma's hot tub steps and benches, folks.
Okay, so I really like that idea. I mean, people are putting a lot of emphasis into their backyard spaces, their home spaces. Everything's got to look good on the gram.
Yeah.
So like aesthetically pleasing components to your hot tub are important.
Yeah.
And I love that Marquee has designed something that offers that, but it doesn't just look good.
Yeah.
What's the other?
It's functional. So, I mean, with the storage bench, you can literally lift and store things. So I think Taylor could display.
I'll show you what that looks
She's got
like.
that on display here.
Yeah, so we've been getting a lot of rain. Obviously, if you have fun little kind of knickknacks out or displayed, it might be good to store those away here and there.
Let's show
Show-
So here's the bench here. It's really heavy duty and it's strong. There's also a hinge here that locks as well. So I can actually hold this up while I'm putting anything in. I can put my chemicals in, towels, anything that you'd like. And then it just comes right back down.
Yeah, and you're not lying. That thing is like sturdy.
It's heavy.
Solid. I mean, to really lift it, you might need two people.
Need all the guns.
All the guns. So fashion and function meets with the environments that Marquee offers. If someone, are these included with hot tubs? Is this an add-on?
Yeah.
Talking a couple $100 here. What does that look like?
Yeah, a couple $100 to start. It is an add-on.
Okay.
So that really allows you to customize what you want for your space. Some people like the step. It's functional. Some people want the storage bench to store chemicals. It matches the tub, looks nice.
Or you could even do like a bench on both sides if
Absolutely.
you wanted. You get really crazy.
Yep.
Anything else? What about cleaning? I'm imagining these are pretty easy to clean. They're
Yeah.
just a composite material, right?
Yeah, they're meant to be outside all winter. That would be the other thing too. As far as cleaning, little Dawn dish soap, you can clean them right up. Just make sure you don't use that in your hot tub after
Yeah.
you wipe with the soap.
So completely weatherproof as well. So
Yeah.
really, Marquee has thought about everything you would want in a sleek, chic, storage, and functional component to your hot tub.
Yes, couldn't have said it better myself.
All right, that is to be debated. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are looking at hot tubs, need any guidance there, come on in. We'd love to show you our Marquee Spas, the environments, and everything else we have to offer here at Splash Pool and Spa. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 4. You can also check us out at splashpools.fun. See you guys.
See you guys.
Bye.
Gonna be kind of the Vanna White here or things, so I'll do that.
You can talk. She's gonna talk in microsilk. She would like to do that.
Okay. 2, 1.
In the back, so you really can get crazy with it if you want.
Genius.
Yeah.